This is the moment I've been waiting for. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please make sure to subscribe. Anyway, this is a very freaking exciting video because, okay, I should stop, control my scissor swinging. Last weekend, I bought online a controller that I've been wanting for quite some time. An upgrade, if you will. Any of you who know, I have a video of like my 25 facts about myself or something like that. I don't even remember how many facts. But I've been DJing at home for quite some time. I've been practicing quite a lot. And my old controller, it was nice, but it was a bit small. I've been using a Tractor for like a few years. I kind of wanted to just venture out and actually like get a bit more serious with my practicing. I'll show you my old controller first. This is the controller I've been using for like quite some time. So it got your low, mids, and highs, main level, and then these are all the filter options for each track. And then your jog wheels here. These are your cue points. So it's very like minimalist and very simplistic. Yeah, so you can only play two tracks with this one. But I really wanted to venture out and like try 4 tracks because I wanted to get a bit more creative with my mixes. So basically, long story short, I upgraded to a 4-channel mixer, and I transitioned from Tractor to Serato. Serato is now the software I'm gonna be using from now on. This Tractor thing was good to me. It was, you know, it was affordable. I think it was like $550 I spent on this thing, but did the job. Learned how to beat match from this. All the basics, basically, you're supposed to learn. But again, like I said, I wanted to venture out and upgrade a bit. So we're just gonna go right into the unboxing with, well, what's beside me. Okay, so transitioning from this to this. Yeah, this is quite the upgrade. I'm quite excited. I got this yesterday at my doorstep. I think this retailed for $1,300, something like that. I was kind of skeptical because it was kind of taped and it has like a little rip here. So I don't know if this was a return controller. If this doesn't work, at least I have evidence because I paid full price for this. So I don't know if this was a return controller because it's all taped down. But that was kind of disappointing to see that. So, because I don't know if they returned it or maybe the box just broke during shipping. I'm not sure. So we're gonna see what I'm actually getting. I was like, if I'm converting to Serato, might as well go all out. There's a Tractor, I think it's called the SZ or something like that. Oh, it looked so nice. I wanted that so badly, but baby steps. Oh yeah, but this is the DDJ SX2. I don't even think I said that. Sweet. This is getting serious. Man, if this does not work, I'm gonna be so mad. Just in like shipping, they just like totally knocked it around. This is what, okay, so the first thing I'm seeing, okay, so I assume this is, yeah, okay, this is a power cable. So this is to connect the controller to the laptop. Some paper that I won't read. And then I assume on the website you're gonna put in your controller. Okay, yeah, so this is the code. So go on the website, fill in the code right here. Code, same with my Tractor. Type it in the website. It's good for like updates, whatever. Sweet. Oh man, I'm gonna start crying. Oh yeah. Oh, this is great. Oh yeah, this is definitely a lot heavier than my Tractor. This is like the weight that I expected it to be, so it's not too light, but it's not too heavy. Get this on camera. Smells like artificial plastic. My favorite to smell in the morning. Oh yes! Ah, this is amazing. Oh man, these jogs. Let's do a little comparison. Yeah, it looks like this is brand new. There's no scratches. So I think I just psyched myself out when I saw the tape and the rips on the box, but no, this looks beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna try to set this up now. Got the low, mids, the highs. Trim I did not have on my Tractor. I just had the simple low, mids, and highs. There wasn't any additional dials, so it'd be fun trying to figure all this out. Trim, I assume maybe that's for the gain. Okay, this looks like it's the track selector. It feels pretty similar to my track selector on the Tractor. Oh yeah, these feel really nice. These feel definitely like more, they have more hold to them, I guess. I don't know how you'd call that. It lags a bit slower than my tractor. My tractor's a bit more flimsy compared to this one. Okay, I'm just gonna set this up and then I'm just gonna look at it and inspect it a bit more from what I'm observing. Usually how I have like this thing set up, I'm just recording my voice on my Ableton right now. So usually how I have my setup, it's fairly simple. I always have my MacBook just right in front of me and have my tractor in the keyboard. Yeah, so this is just tractor right here. Yeah, whenever I wanted to just mix, just pull it out, boom, and then I'm ready to go. It's right in front of me. It's very easy and simple. This is the speaker I'm currently using because I have an explanation. I'm using this right now until I get new speakers. My bunny, her name's Hershey. I hate it when she goes into my room because I have so much wires and everything and cords. But she went into my room one day, but when I went home, well, my actual speakers, I typically put one here and then one here. Yeah, she just totally destroyed the cords, and I couldn't get new cords because it was all built in. Yeah, that was kind of very, very frustrating. But for the time being, there we go. This is just for practicing purposes, so whatever works, I guess. So yeah, very simple setup. And then eventually I want to start producing music, so I have my keyboard up there. And then I just place it down right here. This table is perfect length for my keyboard. And obviously recording, I just have my Blue Yeti. It works, does the job. So anyway, that could be a different video. I'm gonna go activate my controller. The only thing I'm afraid of, because it is a pretty heavy controller, my desk, it's long. I think it might be able to fit my new controller, the SX2, but since it is quite a lot heavier than this one, I'm not sure if like the actual pullout is strong enough to hold it. So you are witnessing me trying to figure this all out. This looks to be the perfect length. It goes right from the start and it finishes right where my keyboard pull-out thingy ends. So the only concern is if it can actually hold it, because again, it is quite heavy. So we shall see. And if it can hold it, that is great. But right now it's holding pretty well. This is actually the perfect size. My only concern is if, yeah, I'm tapping this and like my desk is kind of shaky. So if this doesn't hold up, then I could always just put it on this desk. It starts from here and it goes all the way down here. If this ends up not working out, I could always just simply move this on this thing and then put my laptop probably somewhere over here. Then I could just be looking over not too much further. Again, we're figuring this out. So let me pull up the Serato. Okay, I have some songs on there already. Okay, let's get this ready. Click on the expansion packs and activation. So I actually noticed that really all I got was the power cable and then the one to connect your MacBook or whatever computer to, but I never actually got a cord to connect the speakers. So that's the only one I'm missing, which is weird. I don't know if any of you have this, so maybe comment if like, you know, came with one of those, because I did not see anything that can connect speakers to. I'm gonna hope for the best and see if I can connect my tractor. Like I just have like one cable. This is all I needed for my tractor that it came with. It was just these to connect into the controller, and then this was to connect into the speaker. But I don't know if I have to like get the MIDI cords now. I'm just gonna have to experiment and see what happens. And if not, well, I'm gonna have to go to the store and then I'll be able to test this out, the speakers out, until I pick those up. So I just like hooked everything up. The song's going on the track. Still trying to figure out the speaker situation. That's the only thing. But I'm just gonna test it out and see if I can hear it with my headphones. Okay. Whoa, okay. That like blasted my ear. Okay. That's not as bad now. Oh wow. So I know you guys probably can't hear anything. I really like how these are almost like touch sensitive. I don't know what you call it, but my tractor, it had like that click. This, you don't have to press as hard, which is kind of nice. The only issue I would see myself being in is if like the tempo, it'll be like set, and then if you were to like scratch, or you'd kind of maybe accidentally move it, or like beat match, whatever it is at the time you need to do. Yeah, You might like accidentally like move it off like just a bit. I think with practice, you just kind of get used to everything, their placement, why they chose everything the way it did. But yeah, I think you might just get used to it and learn to not do that. But I think at first it'll get some getting used to. I don't want to do a tutorial or anything just yet. Obviously it looks very much more complicated than my tractor one. There's a lot more going on, more dials to deal with, more buttons to deal with. But honestly, I'll probably have everything figured out by the end of the day. So I'm really excited to be working with this. The issues with the speaker at the moment, I'm gonna try to still like play around with the cord that came with my tractor one, since obviously no cords for the speaker came with the Pioneer, which still I find very odd. I don't know if it's normal. Yeah, I'll still figure that situation out. At least I could still hear from my headphones. But yeah, if you guys want any more videos on like how I mix and like, because everyone obviously is different, definitely make that video. I think it'd be super fun. So yeah, this video was basically just, I wanted to get my reaction. I just thought this was a big moment in my life. I want to remember it. Yeah, like I still got to figure all this out, so I don't think I'll be able to do an actual dedicated video. I can do a whole like tractor versus Serato video. I think that'd be kind of cool. You can get like any other video requests to do with this topic. If you guys are interested, I would gladly make it. But yeah, the speaker situation, I don't know what was going on with that. I don't know if like it was supposed to come with the speaker cord. Not sure still. Everything will be sorted out. This was just a very brief, vague video about this controller. Like I said, just unboxing, showing my reaction and all that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Show some support. Subscribe to this channel. I definitely want to do more music videos in the future. Might be some covers. Yeah, just stay tuned for the next video I'm gonna post. It's always a surprise on this channel. You never know. I'm gonna play around with this thing. I'm gonna try to figure out this sound situation because it's gonna bug me. Anyway, I'll stop rambling. I'm just really excited. Yeah, again, sorry this was very vague. I think I just want to get down to know exactly every single dial and button, what it's for, how I'm gonna use it, practice with it a bit, and then I could probably do another video. Anyway, I'm gonna cut it off now finally. See you in the next video. Peace.